everyone. I hope everything is positive and going good in the lockdown. I'm Shalini Diwan and we are back with the second session on PCOD, where we will be talking about complications of PCOD and the impact on our lifestyle with it. We have Dr. Girish who's an expert and will be answering all our questions. We have Varsha with us, we have Shikha with us, and we have Nisha Yadav with us, who is a budding physiotherapist, who is a yoga expert, and she takes sessions on yoga, so you can all connect with Nisha. Right, Nisha? So now we go with the first question. So Dr. Girish, you have to tell us what are the complications of PCOD, PCOS?
Yeah. So major complication of PCOD is like infertility, आपका मस्कुलर पेन होना, ब्लीडिंग का बहुत दूर तक जाना, 5 दिन 7 दिन 10 दिन 15 दिन तक के केस आते हैं कि 15 दिन से ब्लीडिंग हो रही है, रुक ही नहीं रही है, राइट? सो दे हैव नो ऑप्शन एट ऑल. They patient can get into depression also. They can get into like a social isolation also because of infertility. People in India like think they are not able to conceive, so they are not fit to the society. So these are the major complications like constipation, anemia, your like body physical imbalance, your groin region, your umbilical region, your pelvic region is going to be more sore about it. You will never feel a pain once you anybody touch this part, but you feel like a sharp current like pain in that area.
Okay, so this is how complicated it can be. So what is the hidden impact on female life, on this once she goes through it?
So earlier in puberty phase, or once you start with your puberty, you have a not major complication, right? Because you are not concerning about the cycle, so you will wait for 10 to 12, 12 to 13. But once you are not getting it, so it will be a major cause because it will impact your hormonal cycle in future also, right? More things, you need to work on your cycle. It should be regular, pain free, and more hygienic, right? So once you are not going to conceive, because PCOD has a major impact on your fertility, on your infertility, right? So you need to tackle it, otherwise you are going to face with major problem, like you are going to take a contraceptive for this, you are going to take a diabetic medicine for this, or you are going to take a hypertensive medicine for it. So once you conceive with these complications, these all complications can transfer to your child also. So you need to clear and cut here before you are going to conceive it. Right?
So we have to tackle it as early as we can.
As early as possible.
Okay. So I mean, this is how, but itna zyada abhi people are not aware of it. So we need more people to be aware of these things so that jitna early we tackle it, the better it is for our lives. So what are the...
डॉक्टर एक फीमेल की लाइफ में सोशल और साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट पीसीओडी की वजह से क्या-क्या हो सकते हैं?
सोशल इम्पैक्ट आपका ये है कि आज के डेट में आप बहुत सारे रिसर्च आर्टिकल उठा के देखेंगे, उसमें आप पाएंगे कि जो रूरल एरिया में हैं, लड़कियां स्कूल ही नहीं जा रही, 5th 6th 7th 8th के बाद स्कूल छोड़ रही, because they have no proper sanitization, they don't know about it, what is happening with them. Suppose somebody is going to bleed in the class, or she is going to come with those things, so how will you feel? Or that will impact your brain. Your child is going to like stuck there. They are not going to be free for any time. Your physical activity reduced. You can't do running. You can't do many physical activity, whatever you want to do. You can't take physical load on that time. You can't like go for a long sitting for your study also. So these are the major thing. This is basically a hidden thing. We are not able to tackle it. We need to spread the things to the root level of the India, where the people are not getting the basic of PCOD. Even in modern society, people also don't know.
Yes.
So we have to conversion of rate to the rural moreover than your like urban area.
So what I could understand from this is I think the mothers play a very important role into it. Mothers should educate the girl child right from the beginning that this is a very normal and a natural process of getting your periods. So you have to be aware of it, and she would be able to explain it properly to her child, so that वो उसके अंदर जो complications या जो उसके अंदर those things are what it is about, the funda should all be clear.
So one thing more, we need to decide a protocol, like you can say like a sex education, anything. This is a very burning aspect in abroad करती. They educate their child from their puberty, what they have to do at what age. We are not doing anything. We are making all things in hidden. So once you get hidden, you are not going to tackle it because it's just behind your curtain. Once you are not going to see the problem, how you can tackle it? You need to expose the thing, you need to educate the child where what you have to do. Once you are not teaching them, so every girl should know about the cycle, their like regularities, their symptoms, where this is going on right direction or wrong direction, or when they have to conceive is a very important aspect this coming future. Because you can see number of IVF center, number of infertility cases, why it is increasing just because of PCOD. There is no major change in the society. So once you go in infertility with PCOD, you have a lot of chance of complication with you or your child also.
So, doctor, what are the economical impacts on a family with this?
Suppose if you are not able to know what is it going with you, so ultimately you are going to expend money door to door because you don't know where you have to go. You go for your medicine, you go for your surgeries, you go for many things because you don't know where you have to go. You sometimes take many things. You take allopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy, every medicine, but right thing is your physical fitness is more important to conceive your child.
Yes.
Once your physical fitness, you have to tackle all the things. Then your allopathy will work with you, then your homeopathy, Ayurveda, everything will work with you if you are physically fit. Because ultimately 9 months you have to hold it.
Yes.
You don't have hold it, you got miscarriages, number of miscarriages coming in the society. Almost like 10 or 12 my friend wives get miscarriage. First pregnancy got miscarriage just because they don't know what happening with them. They gone for the ultrasound, they got follicle, so they just delayed it and just aborted because they know once your follicle or your egg is not mature, you are not going to give a birth to a mature baby. Ultimately, lifelong threatening for you because a minor complication with your genetics can make a major difference in your future lifestyle.
So, doctor, is it like we have to have a very active lifestyle?
Yes.
I mean,
Whatever
right from your maybe your exercising, or we should be following some form of exercise to keep our body active and going.
yeah, definitely. You can see earlier, you can go last 15 years back. People are using cycle, people are using grounds, people are using playground for the game. Right now, what we are doing, we are stuck in the house. Everything we are doing on the chair, we are not going to touch the ground. Once you are not going to touch the ground, how your muscle going to improve? How they are going to hold the things? Because they have no habit to do those activity. Once you are not able to hold a simple thing or you are sitting on all the time chair, your glutes muscle, your abdominal, your pelvic zone is going to weak. Once you conceive, it got miscarriage, nothing else.
Okay.
So, is there anything that we're doing for it? Is there any
Yeah,
research?
we are planning or we are doing research for it. We are like planning a physiotherapy and osteopathy, a common protocol to treat it. Already we have treated 3 or 4 cases with cure, not a symptom relief, it's a cure, right? So once you balance, with the osteopathy help, we will balance your pelvic, we will balance your spine, we will balance your ovaries and uterus. With the exercise, we can stabilize all the organ on their position. So once you stabilize your organ on the position, so they can perform well. If you are not going, they are going to hang here and there. You are not going to do proper things.
So I think this was a great session where we understand that everything can be controlled, everything can be taken care of, and for this we have Nisha who is going to tell us. Nisha, आप ये बताइए कि आपको ये पता कब लगा कि
I got to know this on late 2018, and that time I made
yeah.
I went to many gynae specialists, and वहाँ से मेरे को पता चला कि ये अनीमिया की वजह से है. बट देन बाद में पता चला जब मैं डॉक्टर गिरीश से मिली तो कि दिस इज नॉट ड्यू टू अनीमिया, दिस इज ड्यू टू माय फिजिकल इम्बैलेंस एंड माय मसल इम्बैलेंस. Then Dr. Girish gave me 2 osteopathy sessions and physiotherapy sessions. After that, I got normal with my periods, and now it's normal.
So you are feeling much better and you're feeling more confident because so this is how when you go through when you go to a right person to actually know, so the right person is like Dr. Girish could pinpoint what the problem was rather than when she was groping in the dark with a lot of other doctors and treatments and all. So Dr. Girish could point out what she's going through and the right treatment was given and she is feeling much confident. So I think this is one thing which we need to actually acknowledge around, and we should take a right treatment for it, and there is a cure for everything in the world. It's just that the right cure needs to be done. So I think the session was great. Thank you, Dr. Girish. It was really nice. Thank you, guys. It was really nice. Thank you, Nisha. It was lovely. And we'll come up with the next session where we will be talking about the exercises that you need to do so that you can tackle this problem. So next session is going to be coming up soon. Thank you so much.